Hello, Sai Kumar. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Yes, sir, I'm fine. How are you?
Me too, fine. Actually, I went for a movie and just now only I came back. How was your class today?
Sorry, sir.
How was your class? How was your class today?
Yes, sir, it was good.
Okay. And Sandhya? Hello, Sandhya. Then Dheeraj Kumar.
Yes, sir.
What happened, Dheeraj Kumar? Very gloomy sound. What happened?
Just now
Sorry?
I
Just now you
woke up
woke up. Oh. So
from
you don't went to class today?
no, sir.
After class, you went to sleep.
Yes, yeah. From
Ah,
afternoon nap I woke up.
very good. While I was studying, also I used to sleep after the class, and I used to wake up at 8 o'clock, something like that time. And I will have my dinner, and I will again sleep. Okay. So, Manasa,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Yeah, fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine, fine, fine. You also fine. And how's your day today?
Yeah, it's good, sir.
Okay, what happened for you? You are also a little bit gloomy.
Nothing, sir.
Your sound is very low. That's why I asked.
Maybe internet issue.
Okay. Okay. Anirudh,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Fine, sir. Absolutely fine. How are you,
Okay.
sir?
Good, good. Fine, fine, fine. Okay.
Sir, you stay in Kerala, sir?
Yeah, I'm staying in Kerala.
No, I mean, you stay in hostel or in a house?
Currently I am staying in hostel
Why, sir?
because my hometown is Thrissur and I'm currently working at Ernakulam. So I took a hostel and I'm staying there. That's how it's going. So at weekends I used to go to home. That's why I don't take class on Saturday and Sunday.
Acha.
Yeah. And what about your SAP class? Is it going, means it is good or not? Means not like that means. Is there any suggestions from your side? Anybody? Nobody's nobody's voice is there. What happened? You can say freely, no problem. If there is any problem, you just say it simply. Nothing is going to happen. There is only me and you.
Sir, I'm having doubt from yesterday's
Sorry?
GL account.
Sorry?
I'm not able to create, sir, the GL account. When I click on create, it shows
Uh,
enter account.
which account? Inter account. Inter account.
Yes. It shows information enter account.
Just a
But I'm
minute,
not
just a
able.
minute, just a minute. One call is there. Yeah, so Dheeraj, right? Dheeraj was, I was talking to Dheeraj, right?
Yes,
Dheeraj Kumar or Dheeraj Jagga? Dheeraj Kumar, right?
yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So we will solve your problem today. I think, yeah, to you do one thing, Dheeraj, you can share your screen right now.
Okay, sir.
Three more people to join. We will wait for them for 2 more minutes. You share your screen, Dheeraj.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, so yeah, this is just a simple settings problem. That's why nothing to
Yes.
do. You just click on more.
1 second.
Just a minute, guys. Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, click. So the edge. Click on more. Yeah. Now go to settings. Yeah, in that click on hierarchy display. Okay, good. Now press enter. Okay. Now you type the T code again. F the slash and F dash double zero. Yeah. It's not changed, right? Wait a minute. Go to more again. In that click on settings. Hierarchy display. Wait. Do one thing. You click this in this box, close this box. You give the company code here. Your company code. Select it. Which one is okay? Okay. Now you go to more again. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Now you click on display accounts in navigation tree. Now you press enter. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, press enter again. Okay. Now you go to FSW again. Yeah. So this is for everybody's attention. If the screen is little bit changed, means this is the actual screen that we have to want. So in the left side, we can see all the accounts that we have created, and on the right side is the place which we create accounts. Okay, so if it is not like this, just go to more. Dheeraj, please show it again. Go to more. First of all, we have to give the company code. After that, only go to more settings, hierarchy display. Yeah, click on it. And give display account in navigation tree. After that, give enter or click on the green tick. That's all. Press enter again. That's all. Okay. So did everyone?
Thank you, sir.
Oh, okay. So did everyone create the accounts which we discussed yesterday? Except Dheeraj Kumar and Anusha.
No,
Sai
sir.
Kumar.
I was also getting the same problem.
Dheeraj Jagga also making the same problem. Okay, so Sai Kumar.
Sir,
Yeah, have you created the accounts which we discussed yesterday?
sir, I don't have my laptop, sir, so I'm logging through my mobile.
So yesterday's class you didn't practice.
Yes, sir, I don't have my laptop. Tomorrow I'll get my laptop, sir.
Okay, fine. So is it new laptop or
No, sir, it is an old one.
no? I am asking because is the SAP is there or not in the laptop?
SAP is there, sir. It's my laptop only. My brother took it.
Okay, fine. Deepika. Hello. I think Deepika is not there. Anusha. Okay. Sandeep,
Yes, sir.
have
Done,
you?
sir.
Oh, okay. Good. How many accounts means
So
all account has been created
yes, sir, all accounts.
in all company codes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are thorough in creating accounts, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
So which all accounts have you created?
Sir, asset, expenses, liability, sir.
No, I
And
mean
revenue.
in asset, what all accounts have you made?
Like cash, sir.
Sorry?
In asset, cash, sir,
Cash,
and machinery.
machinery,
Yeah.
finish.
Sir,
Only these two accounts you created in asset.
sir, I didn't get you, sir.
So only these two accounts you created in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so in for bank and accounts receivable, I told you there is a slight difference. So what about that? Have you?
Yes, yes, sir.
That one also you created. Bank and accounts receivable.
Only one, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
so
sir.
only one time we have created bank and accounts receivable,
Yes, sir.
right?
Only one time, sir.
So is it
Yes, sir.
actually I want that you want to make thorough. That's the problem. So is it thorough for you? Means it is okay for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then Dheeraj Kumar and Dheeraj Jaga have some problem. Okay. Manasa.
Yes, sir.
Have you created the accounts which you have discussed yesterday?
Yes, sir. I did.
Okay, so how many accounts in asset? Which all accounts have been created in asset?
Cash, bank, and account receiver.
Cash, bank, account receivable. Okay, fine. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Just a minute. Okay, so Anirudh,
Sir,
have you created all the accounts which we discussed yesterday?
sir, I have done only asset part, so that is only cash and bank.
Why? What happened?
And I went out, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So you practice this as soon as possible. Okay, otherwise it will be a big. It will be heavy. That's the problem. Okay.
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 Sir,
So next.
actually, sir, we are
Anirudh.
doing, we are not filling some blanks, right, sir?
Sorry.
If we are creating this GL account, we are not filling some blanks in control data. We are leaving some blanks, right?
I don't get you.
Okay. Sir, if now we are creating a GL account, na, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Now we are creating an asset. We'll give type description.
Yeah.
After that, we'll give control data. In control data, we are not giving tax category or
No. Tax
all
and all are topics that which we didn't take yet, but we will take, but not now. First of all, I want to make you thorough in the creation of the accounts and entry posting and all. Then only we will discuss about tax documents, tax. Otherwise, it will get more confusion.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, is there any doubt in the account creation for anybody? Anybody? Vinay Babu, Sandhya, anybody?
Sir.
Huh.
No,
Tell
sir.
me, Sandhya. Okay. Hope nobody have no doubt. So, I'm going to share my screen. So you can see my screen, right? Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay. Okay, since that we have created, we are thorough in creation of accounts. Now we are going to post an entry. Okay. So for posting entry, there are so many T codes for posting entries. Okay. So first we are going to discuss the basic basic way to post an entry. Okay. For that, we have to go to SAP-FICO. Okay. So this is the basic means general invoice creation account. Sorry, invoice creation. So you can see here there is document date, posting date is already filled. These things are not necessary. Then GL account. So this D or C is debit or credit amount. Then so many other. So first thing that we have to do is we have to assign our company code. In which company code we are going to post this entry. That is the first thing that we are going to do. For that, we have to click on this company code and give our company code. What was our company? CVC is our company code. And select it. Just don't type it and go. You have to select it from it. Okay. After that, press enter. So you can see here company code CVC, CVC Private Limited Thrissur. So we have to give the date. Means actually now I am going to create an entry. Means posting an entry on today's date. So 10/05/2022, and after that you come straight to GL account. Okay. So just a minute. Okay. So I am going to post salary. I am paying salary. So the entry is do one thing. Manasa. Manasa,
Sir,
tell me the entry when we are paying salary in cash.
salaries account debtor to cash.
Yeah, good, correct. Okay. So salary account debtor to cash is the entry. So for that, first of all, we have to we want to check whether the salary and cash is there or not. Means we have created it or not. For that, just click on this button, this search button. From after that, you check the chart of account is correct or not. Then click on start search. So all the accounts which we have created, we can see here. Okay. From that, click on salary. Okay. So the number will appear. I mean, this is the GL account number for all accounts. So salaries is 3000. After that, using tab, go to next column, D or C. So the entry is salary account debtor to cash, right? So salary is in debit side. So just press D. So the debit will come. Otherwise, you can click on this down arrow and you can select debit. That is also fine. And after amount, you are paying salary of 20,000. So whatever the amount is, you just type it. Then click tab. Clicking just go on with tab, and you can see text. Means for all entry there will be a narration. Okay, so give a narration. I am giving salary paid. That's it. Then again click on tab. Yeah. This is business area actually. Okay, we can extend it so you can see. Just a minute. Yeah, business area. So give our business area. So actually the salary and all will be in accounts department. So just select account department. Then after come back, click on here. And if we say this entry again, salary account debtor to cash. So the next side is credit side. We have completed the debit side. Okay. So next side is credit side. On credit side is cash. So we have to give cash. For that, click on this button. Click on start search and cash in hand. There you go. Okay. So cash has been there. After that, give credit. And already we have entered the amount. So there is no need to type it again. For instead, you can press star. That's enough. Okay. After that, keep on pressing tab. So here the text. For text, we have already specified the narration. So that one also not needed to repeat it again. For instead, you can use plus. But make sure that don't mix it. For amount, you have to give star. And for text, you have to give plus. Okay. Then for business area, you give CVC 3. Here we have to repeat it. We can't, there is no shortcuts. Okay. Select it again. But when you are giving business area, both the business area has to be same. Okay. It is not mandatory that we have to give this. Means This for this entry we had to give CVC3 itself. There is nothing like that. You can give any business area, that is your wish. But when you give one business area for an entry, that same business area has to be given in the next side also. Okay. After that, press enter. Okay. So one error has been occurred. In company code CVC, the number range 01 is missing for the year 2022. Okay. Which means that, so just a minute, guys. Okay. So it is saying the number range 1 is missing for the year 2022. Here there is a thing that we missed actually. Not actually missed, but one thing we had to do. I told you that there are several T codes for entry posting. Okay. So for each T code, we have to specify a number range. Okay. So for example, for FP50, the number range is 1. Now we didn't specify the number range. That's why the error is showing. Okay, so we have to specify number 01 and we have to specify a number range. Okay, so if we specify a number range like 1 to 100, then only 100 entries can be posted in FB50. Otherwise, if we give a number range like 1 to 1000, then only 1000 entries can be posted in FB50. Okay. So we are going to specify the number range for FB50. For that, just go to a new page or a fresh page. In there, you have to give /n OBA7. Okay. After that, click on new entry and click on number range information. Give the company code. Drop down won't come. You just type it. That's enough. And click on. There are 2 intervals in this one. You have to click. And here number, what was the number? It was 01. 01 is missing. Okay, so give 01 and give the current year 2022. Then give a number range. I am giving 1000 to 1999. Okay, then save it. A box will come like this, press enter. So it is saved. Okay, then come back. Sometimes if we press enter, this might be, we can continue from this itself. Otherwise, we have to start from the beginning. So I am just trying by pressing enter.
Sir, can you show it again just now what you have done?
Oh, okay.
That T code for specifying the number.
Yeah. Actually, another error also being reached. Actually, when we certified, our main job will be to solve the error. Okay. So for solving the error, you have to be very, very thorough in the configuration area. Okay, then only we can solve the error. So this error, just keep it there. So first of all, I'm going to say again the how to give number range for invoice creation. Okay, for that we have to give /n OBA7 press enter. Okay. Oh yeah, no. OBS 7. So this is OBS 7. From there, you click on new entry. After new entry, there is nothing to fill. You just click on number range information. When you click number range information, you have to give the company code CVC. You are going to specify the number range for the invoices in the account in the company code CVC. That's why we are giving CVC. Then click on intervals. There are two intervals. Click on the second one. So here, which number they told us missing is actually okay. 01 was the just a minute. Okay. 01 is the number which they said missing. So give 01 and you have to give 01 itself. Don't give 01 itself. Okay. After that, the current year, it is 2022. For all financial year, you have to change it. Okay. Now we are in 2020 financial year 2022. And we are moving to 2023. We have to come here and again we have to change this year. Okay. And we are giving a number range. So I'm giving 1000 to 199, which means that only 1000 entries can be posted in FS00. If you want to increase the number of invoices, just increase the number range. That's all. Understood? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is there any doubt in this?
Sir, can you
Yeah. Tell me what was it? Hello.
sir, can you explain it once, sir?
Yeah. Sure. First of all, go to or wait. I'll start from the beginning. First, we tried to create an post an entry. Okay. For that, we went to FB50. And we have given the date and salary. This thing I will say later. It is some advanced debit amount, text, and business area. Then we came down. After that, we give cash, credit, star, plus, and business area. This is what we have given for creating the posting the entry. But when we press enter, okay, that now we already created the number range for this invoice. That's why that error is not showing. But one error was said that a number range 01 is not created. Okay. So for solving that error, we have to go to a new page, or you can do in this page also. That is your wish. I am going for a new page. Okay. So I went for a new page, and there I press /n OBA7. That is the T code for creating number range for invoice. So we have given OBA7 and press enter. After that, click on new entry. Then click on number range. After that, give the company code. Then click on the second interval. There are two intervals on the second one. Here, the number, which was the number they said that missing, just give it like the same way with they said, because they said 01. That's why we have given 01. Okay. After that, the year, we have to give the current year. Then just give any number range for your invoice. Means not for your invoice page FB50. That is the invoice page. Currently we are going to work. So I'm giving 1000 to 1999. After that, save it. So we have already saved it. Then come back. Okay. Then we have to create it again. So that error will solve if we do that. So now another error has been occurred, saying that rule for posting key 50 and account 1000 set incorrectly for, it's a code, okay, field. So for this, they are saying that some rule has been violated, actually means incorrect. So for that, two things we have to check. One is the field status for this particular account. 1000 is cash. Yes, we have to go and check. So you can see here 1000 cash in hand 1000. Okay. So 1000 is, we come to know that 1000 is cash, and 50 is 50 means credit. Actually in SAP 40, if you see posting key 40, it is debit, and posting key 50 is credit. Okay. So they are saying that in posting key 50 there is a something incorrect has been done, and also in account 1000. So we have to make it correct. For that, click on view details. And one more thing, guys, this error, now I'm going to solve it. Then after solving this, I can't show this again, because after solving this error won't come again. Okay, so if you're writing and you can't follow me, just say at that moment itself. Okay. Okay. So in this maintain field status variant and define posting key, we have to check in both of these definitions. Okay. So first we are going to check maintain field status variant. So click on maintain field status variant. Then click on define field status variant. Then we have to give our field status variant. Anybody know the field status variant which we have given for our company code? I don't know. That is why I'm asking you. Okay. If you don't know, you just say you don't know. Then I will show how to see it. Anybody knows?
No, sir.
Okay. So to see what is our field status variant, we have to go to slash and OBY6. Okay. Before also somebody, I have taken somebody of you to slash and OBY6. In slash and OBY6, all things are there. Means for a company, some necessary things are there. No, everything is there. So that is I am going to say now. First of all, go to position, give our company code, press enter. So this is our company code. Double click on the company code. Then this is our company code. All the details of the company code we can see here. The what is the country key that you have given, currency, means the place, language, what is the code of chart of account, what is the code of company, fiscal year variance code, field status variant. This is what we need. Okay. Posting period variant, everything are there. Okay. So just copy it. Don't we understand it is JK, and don't go and type JK because it won't come, because there are space in between in front of this J. So just copy like this, select it and Control C is shortcut for copy. So we have copied it. Then come back to that page. This is where we were standing before. Okay. So click on position. Now you understand what is the field status variant of our company code. Okay. Is there any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Click on position. Give our, just paste it. Control V is the short key for pasting field status variant. Then press enter. So there it is. Field status for JK.
Sir, what's the
Sorry.
shortcut key for pasting? What's the shortcut key for pasting?
Control plus V. For pasting, Control plus V. For copying, Control plus C. Okay. So we have identified our field status variant. Now just select it. Just give tick mark here. After that, go to field status group. After field status group, this thing will come. Actually, inside field status group, there will be field status. Sorry, inside field status variant, there will be field status group. So in field status group, we can see all the segregations like G001, G003, G004, 5, all the things. So for cache, which field status variant we have given? Anybody who knows the answer? I told you to study the field status group for each accounts. So anybody?
G001.
Yeah, G001. So click on G001. So all the natures, characters, and all of this cache is in G001. That's why we are selecting G001. Okay. So we have selected G001 and click on field status. After that, click on general data. So this is what inside field status group, on each field status group, this is what it is. Okay. So here we have to, there are three options are there: suppress, required entry, optional entry. So that is what I'm going to say next. What is suppress? Suppress means it should not be needed. Like they are, for example, text. Okay. So if I give this text on like here, it means that text is not needed for posting entry. Okay. And if I give it here, means required entry, under required entry, it means that text is mandatory for all the entries. And if I give it here, optional entry, means it is not mandatory. If you want, we can give. If you don't want, it is not necessary. Okay. So for now, we have to give text as required entry. And all other in suppress, means it is not needed. Okay. After that, click on this button, means next group. Okay, this is for next group. Click on it. And here also in business area, give required entry. It is correct only now, but I'm saying when we are doing, error will come and it won't be like this sometime. Okay. So now it is in correct pattern. So you have to give business area in required entry. Both business area and text has to be in required entry. All other factors has to be in suppress. So we have to check it. So now one or the one is to go back and one is to go next. So click on next. Here also you can see everything is in suppress. Here also is in everything suppress. All are in suppress. Here also in suppress. Here also in suppress. Suppress, suppress, suppress. So in our account 1000 means cash account. All the characteristics and natures are correct only. Means all the things that we have to give is correct only. So you can save it by Control S. So they will say that data already seen. So we have finished checking this account 1000. So go back again, come to that message. This was the message. So now we have checked maintain field status variant. It is okay. So click next one, define posting key. Click on it and click on this one. A yellow color will show for your just for a clue. Click on that clock button. So they were asking 50, right? So we have to figure it out where is 50. Come down. Yeah, there it is, 50. Credit entry. Double click on here or here. After that, click on maintain field status. Then, as usual, general data. Here also we have to check whether text and business area is required and all other are in suppress. So business area is in optional entry. So give it in required one. Okay, fine. Then click on next page. Here also everything is suppressed. Yeah, see here value date and payment terms. Both these are not required for us. So give suppress. Click next. Here also both are in optional. Change it to suppress. Next. Here everyone is in suppress. Here also everything is in suppress. Suppress, suppress. So it's finished. Okay. So just save it. So now we have finished the error. So try to create the entry one more time. Okay. Come back. Yeah. So did everyone understood how to solve the error?
Yes,
Anybody?
sir.
Oh.
Yes.
What about others?
Yes, sir. Understood.
No. Okay. So now since we have solved our errors, we have to start from the beginning. Means we have to start from the creation of the entry from the beginning. So go to the T code or P50. Give the document date 05 2022. Then come here and just before you have been noticed whether sometimes you have noticed that I directly type 3000. Okay, if you know your account's GL number, you can give it, but you have to be sure whether the GL account is means GL account number is correct or not. So for salary account up to cash, that is the entry that you are trying to make, and I am pretty sure that for salary it is 3000 and give debit because salary is in debit side, so we are giving debit and the amount is 20,000 and we are giving the text salary paid and business area. Everyone has to be make sure that the business area has to be both means the same in the both side. Okay, so CVC. After that come here and give the, so the debit side is finished, so we are going to the credit side. So in credit side the account is cash, so the GL number is 1000. After that give credit. We have already typed the amount, so give star and salary paid, so give plus and here CVC account. After that plus again. Now you can see a green tick mark here. Okay, so it is saved, means not saved, it is it is done. So we can save it. So just save it. What was this? There is no item category assigned in account 3000. 3000. Wait a minute. Okay. So here comes the another error. In SAP, there will be so many errors. Okay, while doing. So you have to be thorough in that errors also. Okay. So now see, there is no item category assigned to account 3000. So while this error, you have it is due to document split. A term is there, document split. It is actually enabled right now. So we have to disable. For that, click on view details. Click on this classify general account for document split. After that, click on this one. Yeah, activate document split. This one, not this one. This is in yellow color only, but not this one. Click on activate document split. So it is locked by me itself. So just a minute. Go back again. So this is the error. Click on view details. Click on classify GL account document splitting. Click on activate document splitting. Yeah. Here now you can see document splitting is enabled, means enabled. Yeah. So just cut off this tick and save it. Press enter. That's all. We have done that error. Come back. Again come back. Close this. Now you just try to save it again. Sometime it will be saved or we have to start from the beginning. Just click on the save button. Still the error is not gone. Wait a minute, guys. So we have to start from the beginning. That is, or there might be another chance is while we have created this 3000 is salary. So while creating the salary, there might be a mistake in it. So let's first of all we have to check that. So a new page. T code for account FS00. Salary is in expense. Double click on salary. So salary is expense. It is in profit and loss. Salary is correct only. Here we have given balance in local currency. Line item display and 001. That is also correct. Here. So here also it is correct. Okay. So there is no mistake in our salary account. So we can come here. And so it won't save. So we have to start from the beginning. So FP50. First of all, the date. And then the account. Salary account. Debit. 20,000. Text. Business area. And again press on this button. Click on start search. Cash account, salary account after to cash. So click on cash. Yeah, that is the problem. The number of cash is not 1000. It is no 1000 only. I accidentally click on cash at bank. That way. Click on cash in hand. Okay. Now give credit star plus CVC account presenter save. Yeah. Now the document 1000 was posted in company code CVC. So while creating, while posting an entry, we discussed three errors. No, sorry, two errors. One is the rule for posting. Sorry, three one, right? One is number range for the invoices. Second one is rules, and third one is deactivating the document split. Okay. So this is how we have to create the. We have to post the entry. So just try one account. One posting by your own. Right now itself, you try. For most of them, there will be errors. Sorry, not errors, locks, because everyone are trying to post same time at one T code. That way, for everyone there will be an error. So just do it now itself. Okay, I will wait for 10 minutes approximately. Or you just do it. Okay, right now itself. So hello everybody. Hello. Hello. Sandeep. Hello Sandeep.
Sir,
Yeah, have you practiced?
yes, sir, doing, sir.
So is there any doubt?
Now only doing, sir.
Now only doing.
Yes, sir.
So is there anybody who just finished one entry? Anybody? Sai Kumar?
Yes, sir.
Have you done?
No, sir, no, sir. Laptop problem.
Ah, yeah, sorry. Anirudh?
Sir,
Have you done?
doing, sir.
Oh, oh. So you do one thing, you
Sir, business
tell me,
area,
tell
we
me.
should give one, we'll give first entry, na, sir.
Sorry?
When we'll give first entry, I mean, now we are doing like salaries account data to cash account, na, sir.
Ah, salary account of the two guys, yeah.
Now we gave GL account.
Means you to create new deal account. That's what
We gave GL account. We created GL account now. Now we gave GL account. Then we gave
Oh,
text.
yeah.
After that, we should give.
No. Wait. First GL account, then you have to choose whether it is debit or credit. Okay. Then amount.
Okay, sir.
Then after amount, you just go some. After that, you just go some column. Then you will find text. You have to fill the text, and business area also you have to fill. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is there any doubt, Anirudh?
No, sir.
Sure. I think you have some doubt. Your sound is down. What happened?
Currently, no, sir. I am doing that.
Oh, okay. Do one thing. On the first day, I gave you one activity. I told you to write this to write the entries. I gave you some problem, and you guys have been wrote the entries, right?
Yes, sir.
So everybody have that page right now. Not right. Means have it or not? Or no? No. Wait. I will send one activity. You have to, first of all, you have to write it in a book, means the entries. After that, you pass the journal entries of that entries, okay, in FB50. Okay.
Okay, sir. We'll try.
Okay, so now I am closing the, means I am stopping the class. So today everybody have to try this FB50, have to practice FB50 as much as you can. Okay, not one time, two time, just do it as much as you can. Okay. So okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day.